So now we need to understand how to write mode works. So if we write something to the file, it's okay because we write something here. But the problem is if here is some basic text. For example, this is basic text. So, and I will run it. I will run this code. Maybe I will comment this out to be clear. So I just write to this file example.txt. I will write there David. So I will run it. Everything is okay, no error there. But if you check it, you can see that the write erase everything, all the content here, and rewrite it by the David text. Okay, so it means that the write erase everything and put there something new. Okay, and that's the problem, because it can be a problem if you don't want it like that. So what does it mean? What we should do with that? So I will change it here like line 1 to be clear, and now we can write there line 1, and after that I would like to open it again, I mean the example.txt, and use another mode it's called Append. Okay, it goes like this. Okay, it's Append mode, and here we have a write mode. So append means that it will only append the text after the text which is already here. Okay, it append, so it means add the text. So as file again, and I will call file write, and here will be line 2. Okay, like this. So at first we will call it, this will erase everything and put there line 1, but this will put there after the line 1 the line 2. So I will run it, no error here, perfect, and you can see line 1, line 2, great. You can see that it's on one line, correct? So maybe we would like to use it here /n, it's mean a new line. So I will, we can run it because this will erase everything again, and we are here. So line 1, line 2. So append only means don't erase everything in the example.txt, don't do that, just add there, append there a new line, okay, or the new text.